So the question for today is, how many ways are there to place a part into an assembly? So we have this part already placed and we wish to place this roller into the assembly. So the traditional way is just to drag it in, and this one's had its relationships remembered, so we can just define where it's going to be positioned. So there's the first one. The second one is, rather than having to pull it from the part library, we can drag it from the Fixture Pathfinder, and this works just the same way. So we can again just define our positions. So the third method is to define a copy using the steering wheel. So if we click on our copy command here, we can specify that we wish to copy this. So let's get the steering wheel into the right orientation. And what we want to do is we could just drag it up, knowing that that's vertical above. Otherwise we can use the plane here, and again we can just define the center by clicking on the edge. This is intelligent, telling us that we need to manage the relationships that were on the original one. So what we're going to do is just replace where possible and accept that, and we'll suppress this final one. So if we click on here, we can see that the axial line was suppressed. We can then quickly come back in here, and for our plane here we can just define the axis, and we've completed that. So yep, you can see there's 3 different ways in which we can assemble parts into an assembly.